welcome back to my channel, Mindful Living. In today's video, I'll be sharing everything you need to know to grow habanero peppers in containers. I'll be going over what size container you need to grow these peppers, their ideal growing conditions, along with a full harvest at the end of the video. So let's go ahead and get started. I purchased my habanero transplant from a local garden center, but you can also start yours from seed about 6 to 8 weeks before the last expected frost date and then transition them outside once temperatures increase. When growing habaneros in containers, opt for a 3 to 5 gallon pot that is at least 10 to 12 inches wide and deep for one plant. Keep in mind that the bigger the container, the less often you'll need to water your plants, and a larger container will also provide more space for the roots, which helps the plant grow more vigorously and produce more peppers. As you can see from the footage here, my plant really branched out and got really bushy, which allowed me to have even more peppers growing on the plant. I actually didn't do any pruning, I didn't top my pepper plant or anything like that, I just allowed it to naturally grow. I'm typically not one to prune my pepper plants, but leave me a comment down below if you like to prune yours and what technique you like to use. After planting, place your container in full sun, allowing for at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Without sufficient sunlight, you may experience slow growth, weak stems, and limited fruit production. So for the best growth, select one of the sunniest spots in your outdoor space. Habaneros thrive in the hot days of summer. They love warm temperatures ranging from 70 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit or 21 to 32 degrees Celsius. Habanero peppers have a lengthy growing season, maturing in anywhere from 100 to 120 days. The footage I'm showing here is from a previous gardening season, where I planted my habaneros in June and harvested the peppers in late September. Patience is key when growing habaneros in containers, as the plant requires more time to grow and ripen its fruit in comparison to other pepper plants. The main reason for this is because the peppers need enough time to develop their intense heat and flavor, which is a result of the capsaicin compound in the peppers. In fact, the longer the peppers remain on the plant, the more capsaicin they will produce, intensifying their heat. Peppers that are harvested too early will often be more mild in flavor and heat compared to those that are left on the plant to fully mature. After patiently waiting for your habaneros to grow and ripen, you can begin harvesting your peppers once they reach a bright shade of orange, red, or yellow, depending on the variety. The peppers should be 2 to 3 inches in length and feel firm to the touch. To harvest your peppers, use a sharp pair of scissors or pruning shears and cut the peppers off, leaving a small portion of the stem still attached. After harvest, these spicy peppers are known and loved for their fiery heat and unique flavor, which makes them a staple to use in homemade hot sauces, salsas, curries, and more. I absolutely loved growing these in my container garden. I got a really huge harvest off my plants. I had over 50 peppers in my harvest here. I hope if you guys enjoyed this video that you'll give it a thumbs up. If you have any other questions about growing habaneros in containers, leave them in the comments down below. And don't forget to hit subscribe. It really does help to support me and the growth of my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.